Hello everyone, so my pawb. Where does the name for Ewlo come from, or in Welsh, Ewlo? Well, it comes from Old English in two parts: Ewlo, which is a source or a fountain or a spring, and a Ewloe, which is a hill, but particularly a burial mound. So it's the hill at the source of the river. Ewlo, is named after its castle. Now originally people thought it was built by Llywelyn Griffith in 1257, but actually it's quite possible it started a bit earlier than that by his grandfather, Llywelyn ab Iorwerth. Now Ewlo was also famous for being the site of a rather large battle between England and Wales, led by Owain Gwynedd in 1157, which took place in a field just outside of where the castle is. Now today, Ewlo's castle is in ruins. So why is that when we have places like Flint Castle and Llywelyn and Conwy, which are all massive and really well preserved? Well, supposedly what happened was Ewlo Castle was inhabited by Welsh lords during the time of the conquest, and when Edward came round to North Wales to begin the conquest, he bypassed it entirely and went straight to Flint Castle, where he obviously started building his own castle over there. And in doing so, it kind of meant that Ewlo Castle didn't really have that much strategic importance. Now, whatever happened to it in the conquest, at the end of the war, it basically fell into disrepair, and it wasn't looked after because why would slipping everywhere today? Why would the English maintain and look after a castle that would be in competition with this one in Flint? Yeah, look at that. Anyway, yeah, that's what Ewlo means. It's the hill by the source of the river. Anyway, check this out. I'm a bit scared of heights, and it's really icy up here today, so apologies if the camera gets a bit shaky. Check out that. See all the way down the valley. Stunning. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more. Check out the link in my bio. It's got links to my website and all my other social media. I appreciate all the follows and shares. Diolch.